everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we learn about how to read or fetch the values from test data.csv file. So here we are using the CSV file because it will be faster to fetch the data. Okay, let me show you the first CSV file, how it looks. And okay, here it goes. So in the column A, I have given the test name. So you can give anything, verify, um, about page, components, anything you can give here. So in the column B, these are my attributes here. Search value is my attribute. So what I'm doing is I'm clicking on um, support page here, and after that entering XYZ value and searching. So that's why I've given the search value here. You can give any value, ABC, whatever you value want. You can give you that username anyways we will not give the username password. You can give any value here, any attributes here, and it will be a n number of attributes. Okay, let me close this. Okay, I'll navigate to the test here. Okay, so now I'll show you how to fetch the data using the data providers. At test data, this is the annotation for data provider. So I'm giving the name. So this will be my test case name. Verify search results will be my test case name. Okay. So I will have to add one method here. Public object get text data. This is to get the text data, and that it will actually throw the IO exception. So better to mention it here, because if you're handling with a test CSV file, any of the file, it will definitely throw this um, IO exception. So that's why I'm handling with that. Okay, return new object verify search results, and I'm giving string in the flower bracket will give search value. This is the what do you call, this is the attribute name. Okay, search value, and closing the flower bracket, comma, close it, semicolon. Okay, this is the syntax that you have to follow. So basically, if you have multiple attribute name, right, you can just give search value, comma, any other the attribute name. You give attribute name 1, attribute name 2, like that, you can so on, you can give it. Okay, since I have only one, I'm just giving only one here. Okay, so this is about the data providers. Now I have to call this data providers here. The test data provider equal to, I'm giving the same test case name here, because if you have the multiple test data provider, it has to identify which data providers it has to refer to. That's why it has to be a same. Okay, now I'm just giving the random description here. It can be anything. I'll just give verify support search page. Yeah, support page. Okay, so this is done. And now what you have to do it in the inside the function. So here I got the values. So now I have to fetch that, and I will add it inside the map string test data. So basically I have written my all my codes in test utils, test data codes. So don't worry guys, I'll be sharing the test, all the codes in Git. I'll be adding it in Git, so we don't have to worry about it. Okay, so here what I'm doing is, okay, before that, right, so in this enter and search, I have to pass the arguments. I will have to define test name string target headers. Okay, this also throws the exception because we are all handling it in with the file interrupted exception. Okay, so in the test case, what I'll do, um I have to pass the arguments in find value. So here first it will be my test case name. First column that I have added it in test CSV file is the test case name. So I will give it as test name here, and my all the headers, all the attributes, right? So that will be in my headers. I will give it here target headers semicolon. Okay. So now what I'll do is enter search value. So I'll pass the arguments here. There's data dot get. I will get the value of, I'll get the value of search value attribute. Okay. Search value. Okay. Okay. So I'm not sure why it is. I have to go here and check. Okay. So what I'll do is string search value. So whatever the value that we are adding it, right? Passing. So it will actually search for it. It will enter it in search bar and click on enter. This is the code. Okay. So now I'll show you what I have written in find values for test. Okay, from here, so basically I'm using the read CSV data from file, and so this is the code till here. So you don't have to worry, I will upload this in Git. Okay, so let me run this. Launched, it has to maximize first. Yes, clicked on support, and I've given XYZ here. Okay, it got passed. Thanks for watching. I'll be uploading more videos on how do we create the end-to-end structure, automation structure. Thank you.